Hello, welcome to the video for this listing. It's the Canon Legria HF-r46 camcorder, and I'll run through the accessories. I'll get rid of all these wires first of all. This is the charging brick, and it comes with a really long length of wire to be able to power it from AC. It's got a UK plug there, and that charges the battery's charging circuit built into the camera. Just pop your battery on the back and it charges and turns off when it's done. USB connection cable, transfer files from the camera to your PC, dead easy. Instructions, download them from Canon's support website. Again, they don't tend to print them these days. HDMI cable for transferring to the TV, and a Canon soft carry case for the camera as well. Right, onto the camera. This camera comes with a tripod, acts as a desktop tripod, and a pistol grip as well. So you can flip the screen out, straight into record mode, like he says. No memory card, I've taken that out. Anyway, you just press the red button and away it records, dead easy. Also selfie work as well, so you can point it towards you, and there's the lens, and it's got good bright aperture as well, fast aperture. Has got Wi-Fi, records in 1080p, 35 megabits per second. There's a bit more blurb on the side. It's in really good order. The lens is in good order, no scratches, marks or anything like that. It is a manual shutter protector there. 32 times optical zoom, 53 when you put the digital in. The SD card has a little door as well. You'll need a SD card, just simply put that into there, and that close the door and then you're away. So very simple and easy operation, and put it in auto. Full touch screen as well, and it swipes forwards and backwards like that on the screen, and access to the menus even. So all pretty good. So what else can I say about it? Carry strap on the side, so you can pop it in like that. If you don't want to use the grip, you just unscrew that off. But that little camera grip is ideal, especially when you're playing with the camera and you want to just mount it on the desk. I think that's an oversized battery as well. It looks fairly lumpy in comparison with the normal ones that come with these, so I think that gives you a little bit extra oomph. 8 gig built-in memory, and then whatever you decide to put the card in as well. So you've got 8 gigs of built-in memory with these. Good value for money this. I think it could make an excellent camera for stills and for video. Take stills obviously, and if you take it away on a little trip out, it'll give you long-lasting memories, and they record exceptionally well actually. They really do surprise in terms of the quality of the footage. The cheaper ones, or the ones that are about promising 4K that are just under 100, absolute rubbish. Stay clear of them. This is much better. Thank you.